Hello and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by Quality Homes CostaCalida.com. Although the world seems to start now a massive war, here in Condado de Alhama we are still in our little paradise, and as you can see we have a beautiful day today. It's actually about 19 degrees, sunshine, a little bit of wind as you can see, but otherwise it's a great day. Another great day on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, another great day in the region of Murcia. So I'm showing you today an investment property which is on the market, very shortly came on the market, and it's reference 3632 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. The apartment has been rented for years on a long-term rental scheme, and now the owners have decided to sell the apartment. So, as you can understand, you will see now the apartment and you will see the mod cons and everything that's there. So enough of the words, Rupert, let's go. We are on Garden 1 today on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort in the property J42. Reference on our wonderful dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, is 3632. It's sold as seen, basically furnished, has some mod cons, for example, like air conditioning. We have air conditioning, if I'm right, in all 3 rooms. Kitchen fitted, obviously, as you can see, our cooker, oven, extractor fan. We do have a nearly brand new washing machine for 7 kilos, a triple plus, so that's pretty good. Equipped as well with a microwave, toaster, kettle, and the basic other stuff. No water filter. You know, buying a property through Quality Homes, you will get a brand new drink water filter. And apart from that, it's sold as seen. It's in pretty good condition, but what's really missing is the owner. No? So this property, as I said, was on a long-term rental scheme for some years. The tenants have been really nice to the property, so I don't see really a big problem here. It was pretty well kept. It was always rented out through our company, Quality Homes Costa Calida. As we know, we are the market leader on site for long-term rentals. We have actually about 160 properties on the long-term rental scheme. So in case you think of maybe renting your property long-term, just contact Eva at qualityhomescostacalida.com. This property is asking price 67,000 euros. Offers welcome. We do have a motivated seller, so I think it's worth, when you think of investing in Spain, this could be a very good start. Rental-wise, we are charging for this property around 400 euros per month, not including bills, but including community fees. Okay, we have seen the living room, which is a standard living room for a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment here on Condado. Position is quite okay, overlooking the pool. We are nearly south-facing, so we do get a fair share of sun. And just let me follow through to the master bedroom, as well equipped with air conditioning as always, basic furnishing. We do have fitted wardrobes as always in both bedrooms. Quite nice views, as you can see, also through the back, overlooking, well, you do see the golf course there in the background, so I think that's pretty okay. Otherwise, it's fitted with normal ceiling lamps, as we said, air conditioning, and it's in pretty good nick when we watch here around the light switch, for example. There is no real sign of usage of this property. In the second bedroom, we have 2 single beds. There is another emergency bed underneath, so in fact it would sleep 5. And again, the views overlooking the inner ring road and up to the golf course. Regarding the golf course, we have just heard yesterday that the plans have been again postponed. And we hope now, following the owner of the golf course, that it will be open and playable in the month of June. I have allowed myself to ask about the year, and they confirm it will be in 2022. Seeing is believing, as they say, so I will do the same thing now. Bathroom-wise, as we can see, it's a normal standard Condado de Alhama bathroom, has a a glass shower screen here. And otherwise we have, well, as you know, the normal mod cons of a bathroom. That's what it is. The property is sold as seen, reference 3632 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. And those ones who know the apartments already they also know that there is a big roof terrace on top. And now let's have a look at the roof terrace. First of all, again, the views, just walking out of the property, I think this is a great view, no? Imagine. That's really nice here. But let me show you now the rooftop terrace, accessible through the private staircase leading up. There's not a lot of furnishing in this property, as we can see. And up here, the views are even more breathtaking. So we are now one level up. Excuse me. Here we go again with the views up here. As you can see here, the terrace or solarium has the same size as the apartment. So we're talking about some 50 odd square meters of sun terrace up here. There is a decent pergola situation where you can fit an awning or other bits and bobs. Pretty easy. We do have here the two air conditioned compressors for 3 rooms. One is a 2x1, the other one is a 1x1. So as you can see up here, we can nearly swing the elephant, no? So that's pretty big. Yes, as we said, on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, you do find this apartment on the reference 3632. Asking price is 67,000 euros. Will listen to off-bite you in case you think of getting a foot into the Spanish property market. This might be a very good possibility, as the asking price is still negotiable. We are at 67,000. The basic stuff has been done. There are 3 air conditionings in there. There is a basic furnishing in there. We have a washing machine. We don't have a dishwasher, but we have the kitchen completely fitted. So this means that it would be a very good start for somebody who just wants to try an investment in Spain. As I said, long-term rental scope for this property would be around 400 euros per month. And I think it's quite a good opportunity. We are running as well ourselves some long-term rents here, and we have very good experiences with that. So there is a decent market here as well. We have constant demand on long-term rentals, so this is really a good opportunity. As you can see, the view here is just breathtaking. When you compare now the pictures we have taken when we listed the property, you will see the pool still empty. Now the pool is full again. In Condado de Alhama, nearly every pool is undergoing maintenance every year. Sometimes it's just to place some tiles which came off. Sometimes there are more major things to do, but I think it's a very good thing from the community side that they are maintained out of the season every year, so we can make sure that the pools are available during the high season and when really people are over to swim. Actually, as I said, today we have 19 degrees. It feels a little bit warmer even. We don't have a lot of wind. As you can see, the palm trees not really moving. So it's quite pleasant today. The weekend forecast is not as good. There seems to be some rain tomorrow, which we desperately need. So let's see what's coming up. Coming back to this apartment. Hi, Paul, by the way. Hope you're okay. How is Renee doing? Everything fine? You're watching again. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, so please correct me. To me, it's Renee, so I hope that's okay with you. And regards from Spain, obviously. Leslie, you're watching from France at the moment, trying to learn ski. Careful, careful, this could go wrong. Looking forward to seeing you in 3 weeks. Okay, coming back to this beautiful apartment, reference 3632, on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. It is sold as seen, has certain investment done, for example, the air conditioning in all rooms. Otherwise, it's pretty basic, hence the price, and hence still the possibility to make an offer. So starting price 67,000 euros. And I'm actually looking forward now to some offers. We have already 2 people in the pipeline, but still, I would say it's a good opportunity to get into the market, as we are also in Garden 1, which is quite a nice garden, well kept, also by the president of this garden. I think it's Mr. Simpson, but all gardens are properly managed, so this is nothing. But I think also Garden 1 is in a very good nick. As I said, the pool has just been again under maintenance and is now backfilled. As we said, on our webpage, you will still find the pool empty. Having seen the master bedroom again, just let me show you the second bedroom. There we go. As we said, fully fitted, everything done. So it's ready to move in. It's just maybe not the taste of some people, but actually the property is ready to move in. It's all fitted, that's necessary. You might say, well, I might need a dishwasher, happy days. But otherwise, I think it's in pretty good condition and the offer is pretty good for 67,000. On our webpage 3632, on qualityhomescostacalida.com. You do find many more pictures. You do find as well a 360-degree virtual tour, so you can walk through the property without moving from home. And as always, Quality Homes Costa Calida as well offers the possibility of virtual viewings. So just tell us when you want to have a look at the property again, and me or one of my team members will be happy to meet you virtually at the property and to guide you through the place so you can have a look at whatever you want to have a look at. Good. What else can we say today? I mean, there's hardly anything else I can say. I know. Do you have anything to add to?
You've said it all. You've said the golf course, the pools. Yeah.
And it's nice and sunny here, no?
To add over here, yeah.
It's nice and sunny today, no?
Sunny. We have a perfect position also for year-round living. I mean,
Yeah.
This is the orientation that you want to have, really.
No doubt, no? Yeah.
The full sun.
Yeah.
I mean, this is an ideal, like you say, it's an ideal investment for holiday rentals, for long-term rentals, for you name it, we have it.
Exactly.
We're right in front of the pool, so
Exactly,
everything
no?
works over here. Yeah.
Imagine just walking down to the pool from here. You're leaving your property with your swim gear, with your towel, with your whatever, and you just walk down the steps, you enter the pool. Oh, what a swim, no?
Absolutely.
Isn't it?
Yeah, the gate's right there. I mean,
Exactly. The entrance gate is just over there. So, I mean, imagine the feeling, no? In the afternoon when the sun is nice, you just had a sip of a gin and tonic and you have a nice swim. Oh, this sounds nice. This sounds nice, no? I would say. Well, guys, before we start to waffle away here, 3632 is the reference on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. As we said, the property is on for 67,000 euros, but I'm motivating you to make offers for this place. It was on the long-term scheme, so it would be ideal, again, to go on long-term, or you adapt it to your needs, just as your personal holiday home. No problem at all. Also would work for short-term land. So I think it's today we're really talking about an investment possibility. So it's not the emotional buyer, it's rather the rational buyer today, you know?
yes, absolutely.
I mean, the place has lots of emotion, as I just said. Imagine you walk down there to the pool and have a decent swim. We're not allowed to have drinks beside the pool, no? Or no glass, so we could use a plastic.
Oh, I don't know what the current regulation is.
Okay, we don't
I
know.
barely have time to use the pool.
Yeah, that's the funny thing. Living on a golf resort, we hardly use the golf resort, no? Because we make it nice for everybody else. Yeah, I do know the problem.
We're
Yeah.
working when everybody else is on holiday, so
Yeah, but we work in holiday, so I know this is an ongoing discussion between us since many years. Yeah, okay. Well then, a beautiful property, as we said, a massive roof terrace, basically furnished, but it's all nice, clean, and well kept. So, in my opinion, would be a good start for somebody who wants to start to invest something in Spain. This would be, in my opinion, one of the possibilities. Because most important is location and orientation. We can change the furnishing, we can change the washing machine, we can change whatever you want. The only thing we can't change is that. Means orientation, means location. And we are in the center of the garden. We are south facing with a slight western aspect. So we do get the sun nearly all day long. Fantastic. So, oh well, Paul, it's windy and cool. Well, what can I say? You know where to go, no, Paul? You know exactly where to go. We are here in the southeast of Spain. Catch a flight to either Alicante or Murcia International Airport. Here we are. Okie doke. Apart from that, again, it was a pleasure and thank you very much for following me today in another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Today we have seen J42 on Garden 1, asking price 67,000, offers welcome. Yeah, this was it. Happy days. Thank you very much for joining me today and I'm looking forward to see you next week or maybe tomorrow. Cheers, bye.